Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Get started on a creative new project today. I have my fabric in hoop here and I have my needle already threaded. Subscribe to Handiworks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. I personally enjoy stitching on Osnaburg because of the weave and its natural color, which allows me to embellish it with all sorts of brightly colored flosses and stitches. Check out DIY Stitching YouTube channel for more stitching tutorials. Straw or milliner needles have an eye and shaft that are equal in thickness, which makes them ideal for French knots and bullion knots or any stitch where the needle must pass through multiple wraps of threads. Subscribe to Handiworks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. There are innumerous ways of making flowers using embroidery. Flowers can be embroidered on your clothes tastefully to enhance the look of the garment. They can be used around the neckline or on the sleeves or near the hem or the side slits. Play around with threads and stitches to see what combinations you like the best. I post weekly videos right here on my YouTube channel.